nice fish too. A little mess on this one. It wasn't quite big enough to pull that board back far enough. Here we go.
Number 2.
Number 4 for the night, second on trolling.
Yep.
Same color pattern.
It's a good idea to switch to trolling the shallow waters.
Yep, right at dusk, they're coming up speed. Gotta try to find some bigger ones, but hey, we'll take it.
Nice. Jigging and bueno. Orange has been the ticket right now.
Alright, Archer's hooked up. First fish of the year, huh, Archer? You got anything to say? Say welcome to the Fox River.
Welcome to the Fox River.
Folks, we're switching to spot 2. Got my friend Archer here. How old are you, Archer?
8.
Best 8-year-old beard I've ever seen, folks.
Oh, Archer, look at what I've got.
You don't catch these walleyes down here. Sometimes you get yourself a flathead. Not my biggest flathead, but still gave me a nice fight. Nice job, bud. Andy, you want to tell the story or what? I don't even know what to say about that. Obviously, the very first for all of us. I was jigging the bottom. There's the fish. Let's get it back. This dude's had quite the run right now. So I was jigging the bottom. I had what felt like a hit. It started moving, but then started hooking up on everything else. So apparently, here's my jig hooked into the stick, which was hooked into another jig, which was tangled around the stick, which was hooked into the fish. So I'm not really sure if that counts as a fish or not. I mean, but seeing as it's my first one for the day, I'm gonna say it is until I catch another one. So I guess we'll clean up this mess and we'll see you in a few minutes.
Just pulled up to the 3rd spot of the day here. First cast, right, bud?
Like, I think we've been able to make a record now had I not started 10 years ago on a computer, just like learning, self-taught, just doing research and learning what compressors sound like and watching videos that things just like Google and YouTube and, like
That's a good one.
and Pro Tools makes it possible for people to learn kind of just like the bare bones, like this is what it is like to record yourself and to hear something back that you did, which is a very bizarre thing to do.
Nice job, bud.
A little bit nicer than the last one. That's still a nice good little male.
Good, bud. All right, folks. Making a pass.
What happened there, Dad?
Jack had one on. Oh no. What happened, Jack? Did you lose it?
Probably.
Good try.
Oh, we got a newbie. Doesn't know what he's doing.
Did you get there?
But look at that. Let's bring him in here.
Here we go. Figures. Bring the young buck.
24.
24? Nice fish, Jack. Wanna hold it, Jack? There you go. Here you go, Jack. Bite it pretty hard? No? Did you ever catch a walleye before like that? Is that your first? First? Atta boy. Good job. Put her back, nice and easy.
full spawn,
Nice fish.
27 and a half. But yeah, she's lost her belly, so she's all done. She's headed back out to the bay.
Nice work, bud.
All right, take a couple pictures and we'll get her back. Yeah, recording her.
Yes.
Yeah.
My first muskie ever.
Okay.
River, multi-species fishery. Caught a catfish, got a sheep head on, caught some walleye, now a muskie. How about that? Good job, Amanda.
Thanks.
Good fish.
That's a nice carp right there.
Thanks for holding up.
There's a nice box river carp. That's what we're out here for. Got one on, folks. First board of the year.
Rifle. Yeah! Good job. Good job. Well, guys. Showing some shallow water. Nice pre-spawn female right there.
Really good fishing, Andy. Ridiculous. Fish aren't biting.
A little bit of weather today.